That black yo magic, 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 magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic.
Princess. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glow Princess, and I'm back at it again with another look, period. Today's look, we're doing a cute curly look today, and the wig that I'll be using for this look is from LeModa Hair on AliExpress. Worked with them before, so pretty familiar with the type of quality that I'm expecting, okay? But we're doing some curly hair today, and the wig that I'll be wearing today is their Malaysian water wave. You guys know I love water wave texture. It's like one of my favorites. It always look bomb, and the curls are so easy to like style and deal with. The density is 150%. It's 24-inch. The wig comes with baby hairs and slightly plucked. So when you receive your box, this is what you receive. When you open up the box, you find a wig cap, your wig in a net, and that's pretty much it. So this is what the wig looks like, and off the bat I can already tell that it's not really full, so 150% is not enough. I would definitely recommend you guys get 180 or higher depending on how thick and full you like your curls to be. But I personally think that this is not enough for me, but we'll do. The color of this lace is a dark brown, by the way. Ooh, this is really cute. They plucked it really nice. I don't know, I probably have to like, you know, brush it out or like pluck it, separate it so it could look fuller. But I definitely should have asked for 180, because you guys know I hate gaps and like spaces in between my hair. I hate it so much. But yeah, this is what the hair looks like. Other than that, the curls are really soft. Love water wave curls because they like not too tight, not too loose. They're literally the perfect curl pattern. This is what the frontal looks like. Like I told you guys, they plucked it nice. You guys can't really see on camera, but like it's pretty decent, you know. But I would definitely recommend you guys pluck it some more so it can look even more natural. It also comes with baby hairs around the perimeter. This is what the inside looks like. It comes with 4 combs, 3 on the inside, 1 on the bottom, and also adjustable straps right here. But yeah, that's pretty much all that we can see about this wig right now. I'm about to go ahead and cut this lace off and try her on and see how she's really looking. So this is what the wig currently looks like on, and like I said, it's not really full enough for me. Whenever I'm wearing curly hair, I like it to be full enough to the point where I don't want to see gaps, I don't want to see spaces in between my hair. Even though this is not as full as I would like it, it's still good because I can't really see gaps and spaces in between my hair, so that's good. But yeah, as far as the hair, it's really soft. It's really cute. Like I said, water wave is one of my favorite textures. And let's talk about this frontal. This frontal looks really nice, you guys. I really love the way that they plucked it. Like if I was to glue it down, blend it in, you know, do the whole night, it would look so bomb. But y'all know I don't do all that, so but I'm gonna still make it look good. This is what the wig looks like. It looks really nice. 24 inches. It comes down, like it comes all the way by my belly button, so it's pretty long. Like I said, I would recommend you guys pluck it some more, especially if you part it in the middle to the side. Make sure you pluck it so it can look more realistic and real. I'm not gonna do that because I'm lazy, so so just make sure you guys customize it however you like it before wearing it, so you could be out here slaying, sis, okay? But yeah, this is what the wig looks like. I'm about to go ahead and do what I do what I can do with this. I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna do a side part, middle part. You guys already know how that goes. So yeah, let me go ahead and finish up this look, and I will see you guys once the look is completed. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It came out so freaking bomb, you guys. As you guys can see, it doesn't look anything like it did when we first started, okay? I would take back what I was saying, because first I was talking shit. I'm like, oh, this is not enough hair, it's not full enough. It's actually perfect. All I had to do is just space out the curls, run my fingers through it, you know? And honestly, it came out looking so bomb. It's really light on my shoulder, no gaps, no spaces in between the hair. I'm loving it. I really love the frontal. Like, it literally just blended so well with my scalp. Didn't glue it or anything. This look literally just came out so bomb. I'm in love with it. I'm obsessed with the curls. I literally wore it just how it looked out the box. All I did was just clean up the front pieces. I sprayed some water, ran my fingers through it. Other than that, I left the curls messy and it was pretty much looking out the box. The thing that I love about water wave curls is that you literally don't need to do anything to it. All you need is just water, air, and just like, if you want, you can wet it and wear it as like a water wave curl, or you could just do like me and wear it dry like this. Honestly, I feel like it looks the best when it looks like that. I'm not really too into like the wet, shiny looking curls. I'm more into like messy, dry, you know, imperfect type of curl. This is literally the perfect look, so I'm obsessed with this look. I hope you guys loved it too. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, make sure you check out LeModa Hair. I will leave the link to their store down below, and also the link to this wig. Make sure you guys check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.